so far, yun lang po talaga alam kong sir, yung sinasabi nyo again why I did not make a motion for me floating. Alam po ni General Lacson yan, sir, kapag floating ka, you just follow orders and you wait for the right timing. Until such time nung pong November, I was given a chance to occupy another position which is vacant by no less than General Purisima din. No, doon po sa DPL until I got my star rank. No. And again, nung pong ako'y magbigay ng star, makuha ko yung aking star rank, there was also a deliberation. And still, ganun din po naman ang finding, sir. I think even General Marquez could testify on that because siya po ang pumirma din ng last ng promotion ko, Mr. Chairman. Hindi ka po kasi pwedeng ma-assign dun sa pwesto or ma-promote if you're not occupying a TO position for the rank of 1 star. So, until such time, of course, that I became the RD hanggang ngayon po na ako'y maging regional chief PNP, Mr. Chairman. So, yun po talagang ang naging, ito po ang chronology of event kung anong nangyari sa akin during that time, Mr. Chairman. So, I'm really sorry kung sabi niyo po na why did not I make a motion. Alam po niyan na you can never make a motion, Mr. Chairman, if you are on a floating status. Marami po sa amin na nagpo-float ng 2 taon, 3 taon, pero talagang kuminsan timing lang na talagang wala kang magawa. It's part of the service, Mr. Chairman.